Just like every year, Q&A slots are reserved for the month of August, and you guys have filled the Instagram with some interesting questions to discuss. The first question is from Madan, who is planning to use Uni air filter on his RTR 200 and is also concerned about the long-term negatives of using the same. If it is a stock replacement air filter with similar airflow that fits the air filter assembly, then you can go ahead without worrying much. Just make sure that you clean and oil up the air filter regularly. Regarding free flow air filters, well, there is a video coming up on that, so keep a check on the channel. Next we have Sridhar Krishnan, who wants to know about Adinol engine oils and wants me to make a video on the same for the engine oil series. Many of you have demanded for a video on Adinol, and I did have plans to get their 75W90 transmission oil for my car, but availability was an issue for me and I was unable to source it. Since I am going to use and share my experience on this channel, it becomes critical for me to purchase and use the original product. Having said that, I do have plans to try their products in the future. As we speak of engine oils, the procrastinator wants to discuss my take on oil manufacturers in India and has named Vidal, Servo and a few more. Well, in the past I have mentioned Vidal Takeoff 40 and Vidal Swift in my videos, and for those who don't know, Vidal comes under Tidewater Oil Company. Apart from this, a lot of times I have mentioned and appreciated HP for its Racer Synth, which is a good value for money engine oil. You have also mentioned Mac, which is an offering from Bharat Petroleum. The TVS True Force Synthetic is also manufactured by them, and coming to Mac, I do have plans to use their scooter engine oil soon. The next half of your comment is on my obsession with engine oils and stuff. Well, what fascinates me more is the interest you guys have shown in such technical content. I never thought people on YouTube will spend time and appreciate this kind of stuff. I would like to acknowledge the amazing comment section that we have created over time. Go to any video on this channel and our engagement behind the screens can be instantly noticed by the rich comment section. I can go ahead and say that some comment sections are more informative than the videos I have published. Surprisingly, this is considered to be very rare on YouTube. And I guess I am getting carried away, so let's move ahead towards Nimesh, who is looking for an update on the RCB racing brake. Along with Nimesh, a lot of you guys have asked for the same, and my reply is very soon. I have two pending stuff. One is the mirror and the second one is to drive down to the place where my RTR is parked for the past couple of months. The lockdown phase has been really difficult for me, plus the guilt of not having my RTR besides me has occupied a big zone in my head. But very soon you will be able to see the RTR back on the channel. Devesh is under similar situation and wants to know a startup procedure for such condition. Well, a comprehensive guide with my first-hand experience is coming soon. I just hope everything is fine with my RTR. We have a different type of question from RTR Rider where he wants to know how to convince family for long rides. A lot of us have played this game and it's easy to convince your boss for a leave but not your family for a solo long ride. I would like to bounce the same discussion to the comment section where I will be eagerly waiting to read your responses. That brings me to the end of this video, and a lot of interesting questions are still pending from Instagram, which will be discussed in the second part of this video. That's it for this video and I hope you guys have liked it.